on business management and how to be a more powerful business manager by using psychology of influence and persuasion. So in this short video session, we're going to talk about applying the power of liking to your business management skills. Now, liking is basically the psychological principle that if you're a business manager and you're trying to get a challenging project accomplished, the people on your team are going to be more influenced by you, or your peer business managers or supervisor is going to be more influenced by you if they see you as similar to themselves, if they like you, if they think you're friendly, if they connect with you as a real person instead of just a business manager. They're going to be much more likely to be influenced by you. And this is something that most people overlook, and it can be very powerful if you use it in your business. The first thing you want to do as a business manager is find similarities with everybody you work with, everybody on your team, everyone that you work with at the same level of you, and your boss or supervisor or principal of the firm. Find as many similarities as possible. If they like golf, go golfing with them. Find similar interests, similar foods, go out to lunch with them, similar opinions or sports teams that they like. Find something you can small talk about and get to know them as a real person instead of always talking business and just throwing work at them or just throwing problems at them. You know, if 99% of your conversations are tense about business challenges that are a little bit stressful, that's how they're going to see you as a person. So remember that when you're building relationships. Next, on your team, if you really want to connect with people as a business manager, what you can do is offer some time mentoring. You can mentor somebody off company time during lunch. In many companies, you can mentor them on the clock, and nobody's ever going to complain that you're helping somebody develop their skills and their career within the business. Sometimes it might end up that that person should leave and go work for a different company, but the sooner they do that, the less money that your company is wasting on training somebody who's going to be soon leaving anyways. So mentoring can be a great way to be more friendly with people on your team and be more effective long term. The last tip is to try to use the power of perspectiving, where you look at things from other people's perspectives and then try to act more similar and friendly towards them. So if you're not agreeing with somebody, try to get inside their shoes and look at exactly what they might see from their point of view and from their perspective, and you might be a little more understanding of why their opinion conflicts with your own. Another way to use this is to basically try to step inside the shoes of the people you're trying to manage as a business manager. Look at their daily challenges, imagine you're them trying to get all the work done within their workday, the systems they use, the computer they're sitting at, the cubicle they're sitting in, and then try to really think about, you know, what it would be like to be them. And by doing all of that, you can kind of get into their state of mind, and you kind of like see what they see, and then you can talk to them maybe in a different type of language, or, you know, in a more helpful tone, or more, here, let me document this process, it'll make your work every day easier, something like that. And you can really kind of adapt a different way of working with people once you see things entirely from their perspective. So I hope these 3 tips helped. Again, it was show similarities with everybody around you as much as possible. Be a mentor to people on your team that you're managing as a business manager. And then third, use perspectiving to look at things from your team's perspective. Get inside their shoes, and it'll change your point of view on everything. So I hope you found this video very powerful on how you can use liking and friendliness and the power of that psychological principle in your work as a business manager. And again, this is businesstraining.com, where you can earn master's level qualifications to make more money.